Hi, I'm Marna, and I had an idea for a Halloween craft for the BJD 60 centimeter. This would also work for your 18-inch dolls and probably, perhaps, some of your 24-inch dolls, like your Barbies or your Monster High, Bratz dolls. I'll have to bring mine down and see. I had this big idea. I bought this cup at the Dollar Tree. It has a skeleton molded in, skeleton face. And then this little candy dish. And what I want to do is hot glue these together. I have a new glue gun. And then add this to look like water. Now will it? I don't know. I probably needed something sky blue, but we're going to try it anyway. It cost $1, and I want to keep that away from my glue gun. And what I want to do first, can you see the colors in that? Okay, that's why it's supposed to look like water. And I'm just going to hack off a piece real quick. And I'm going to put that, I really am hacking. Wow, that's worse than usual. Oh, not my fabric scissors. Yay. Okay, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to put this inside this cup. Doesn't have to be all pretty. So that it sets that off, or that's my theory. And then I'm going to take hot glue and put that around. Always have extra hot glue and have your glue gun ready. I am not accustomed to this new hot glue gun, so let's see how this is going to go. All right, I'm trying to put a ring of glue around the top of this glass. And it's working pretty good. Oh, I love this, Darren. Thank you. It has a nozzle that's way smaller than my cheap one that can make small amounts. Okay, then I'm going to line up this candy bowl. Is it perfect? It is not, but I thought it was cute anyway. And then we're going to hack off some more of this water and see if I can do a nicer job hacking this time. No, evidently not. This is weird stuff. It's kind of, I got it at the Dollar Tree, where I get a lot of my craft items. And it's kind of, I don't know, rubbery feeling? Plasticky? Not plasticky, more like giving. All right, we're going to put that in here like this. And then for their party, to do apple dunking, I found these at the thrift store. And I thought they were such a good size for these dolls. I paid $0.25. Y'all know I'm cheap. We'll call it thrifty. And we're going to put that into our water. And the fall Halloween party apple dunking can begin. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.